I'm going to show you guys how I made this dry shampoo for brunettes. It's all natural products. I'm on day 3 from washing my hair, and you can see it's starting to get greasy. So I'm going to put some of this in my hair. So let's go make this and I'll show you what's in it. I'm going to be using cornstarch, cacao powder, and then also some cinnamon. So first I added a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now I'm adding in a 1/4 cup of the cacao, not cocoa. And then 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, or just half of your 1/4 cup. Then mix that all together. This was taking forever, so I decided to do the shake method. And this is what it should look like when it's all mixed. So you're going to want to get yourself a fluffy brush. And then we're going to dip into this mixture, okay? And you're going to have a bunch on there, so you're going to want to tap it off as much as you can. On the top of my head, I'm just going to make pats, and don't worry what it looks like right now. But you only want to get the roots, so I'm going to have to flip my hair over and then do another section. So now I'm going to go in here, and if it starts, getting to the point where you don't see this, you'll have to dip it again. So I'm not going to do my whole head. I'm mainly just doing like the top part. I have to get more. I'll tap that again. And I mainly just do the areas that you can see, like when I have my hair in a ponytail. So I might do like, I'll do the sides like this, and like in the front, and I'll do around the back of my neck. Now, when you're doing this, you can either just like flip your head over and massage it in, or you can take the brush and like, massage it like that, which like my hair is getting all messy, but just like, get it all blended. I prefer to flip and rub it in. Now I'm going to grab my detangling brush. This is in my Amazon shop if you guys want to get it. It works with wet or dry hair. And now I'm just going to brush. And you can see I just messed my hair up and it just brushes right through. So I love this thing. I originally got it for my daughter, but now I use it. All right, so this is after, and you can see it just takes some of that oiliness away. So now I'll have a couple extra days before I have to wash my hair, because I'm trying to only wash it like once a week. But you can see it's not as like oily now. The problem with dry shampoo, I feel like as a brunette, a lot of them have like white. I mean, you can get them obviously brown, but you spray it in and then you can see it. Plus, who knows what crap is in those things. So I'd rather go natural. So here's before and after.